Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn two little hands together, step by step. Today, we read a happy little poem called Two Little Hands. It is all about the wonderful things our two hands can do. Our two little hands can clap, they can wave hello, they can hold things and carry them, and they help us play all day long. Let us learn some new words. Hands, clap, play. Little. Say them with me as you look at your own two hands. The nice idea in this poem is that our hands are good helpers. We use them to do kind things, and we are always gentle with them. To recap, this poem is about our two little hands. They clap, wave, and play. Our hands are kind helpers. Well done. Great work. Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.